So, a million or more businesses and home PCs were compromised after users visited illegal streaming sites. This is Microsoft talking about this. Let's talk about this article right here. What we've got is a report that suggests the importance of CISOs, of strengthening security awareness training for employees. So this is information that careless online service surfing by employees continue to be the bane of CISOs trying to keep malware off their IT network. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Let's just say you own a business and you've got X number of employees. Maybe that's 5, maybe it's 10, maybe it's 20. You have to be aware that if you've got internet at your business and you've got computers at your business that these employees are using, they might be using these computers for other things other than just work. This is why a boss might say, I only want work stuff on these computers. I don't want you doing anything personal. If you're going to do personal, you need do it on your own phone or your own laptop or whatever. That's a very, very good policy to have because it is very common for people to be going to sites and getting malicious stuff on networks at businesses, going places they're not supposed to, the workers, accidentally. They're not doing it on purpose. They're just trying to maybe pass the time when it's a boring time or nothing's happening, whatnot. But Microsoft reports that in early December, it detected a large-scale data theft campaign that leveraged GitHub, Discord, and Dropbox to distribute malware to nearly 1 million devices. So these are things that people use on their PCs and computers to share stuff, to share files. And so those file sharing and social networking type of things like those and servers that host apps and stuff like GitHub were targeted and being used for malicious things, and they infected people's stuff. That's why you always got to be careful what you're opening, what you're getting from, different servers. Its likely initial cause, people clicking on malicious ads posted on streaming websites, hosting pirated videos. Interesting. So clicking on ads. What do I always tell everybody? I say your first line of defense is a good ad blocker. Google's taken away our first line of defense, making us very vulnerable by removing ad blocking capabilities from their web browser. This is going to cause widespread problems for people when the links in the Google search itself take you to malicious sites that are infected. They need to think about the mass amount of problems they're causing people by getting rid of the support for these ad blockers, because these ad blockers are the first line of defense, literally your first line of defense. If it doesn't open and it doesn't show up on your computer, you can't click on it, etc., etc. So everybody needs to think about that. Make sure you're using a different web browser for your daily browsing other than Google Chrome, and using a good ad blocker. That's important. So this report not only shows that the platforms like GitHub, Discord, and Dropbox have tightened their security, but also that as part of security awareness training, they have to regularly remind employees of the risks, both when they are at work and home, of going to websites that promise goodies. So if you're trying to go to common sense, if you're trying to go to a website to maybe pirate content, you don't think that website might have some bad stuff? If these guys don't care about legal movies and videos and whatever, you don't think they're going to try to steal from you when they're already stealing and you're getting access to stuff from them that you're supposed to technically pay for? I'm not trying to judge anybody. I'm just saying common sense. Use some common sense when you're on the internet. Don't go out and go to these sites and think that, oh, I'm going to be safe. You're not safe. Just use common sense with what you're clicking on and where you're going. That's it. Um, yeah, this this was pretty much it. Um, this was my PSA for the day. You guys have a good one. Just be careful what you're clicking on and where you're going and what you're doing. And if you want more information on how to stay safe and safe places to go to do those type of things, and want to know more information that I can't show here on YouTube, definitely join my Telegram group. A lot more information there that I'll be happy to share stuff with you and try to help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, or if you didn't like it, let me know down below in the comments why you didn't like it, and maybe I can do better in the future. Talk to you in the next one.